video. Okay. So, hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be watching the. We're going to be watching my most viewed um spicy noodle challenge. This one was kind of epic, so and a lot of people watched it because it went crazy. But yeah, let's see what happens. Oh, yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Um, what I have to say? Like, comment down below, hit the notification bell, and yeah. Let's get into the video. Okay.
Hi,
Hi.
this is your girl Lulu Bella back with another video.
I'm turning this down over.
If you're new to my channel, then go subscribe right now. Right now.
Yeah,
I think it's
do that.
whatever. Right now.
What she said.
This video. Don't forget to smash the like button and turn on the bell so you can see more videos like this. I will say the same thing at the end, just in case you forget or your memory lapses or something.
Right?
In this video, I am going to be doing I'm going to be doing the, I'm probably going to cut.
I didn't because it's more interesting that way. By the way, I love this hair. I really want to do this hairstyle again.
I'm going to be doing the 2 times spicy challenge again. But this time, I'm going to do it in under 2 minutes.
Yeah, this was freaking crazy.
Okay? Be right back. Okay, so time to put the mix inside the sauce, the deadly fucking sauce.
I was playing music in the background.
I'm not trying to make a mess right now.
Oh, the struggle.
Oh my god.
Let's just skip this part. Okay.
Look. Dripped on me.
Oh, that stuff is poisonous. That stuff is really poisonous. Well, not for real, but you know, it's not good for you to eat every day or like for too long, you know.
I'm hungry. I actually happen to really like these noodles, despite how hot they are.
They are yummy.
Okay. All of that there. Let's see every drop. And now I'll put this these spices or whatever the heck it is.
I mean,
Oh, this
I know,
huge.
I know there's music in the background, but I'm not monetized anyway, so who cares?
Whatever. Everything's going in. Okay. Now I'm gonna mix this up.
Comment down below if I should do the one chip challenge.
Oh. I'm gonna mix this and I'll be right back. Okay. So I'm done mixing it now. As you can see, it's nice and red and hot looking. Anyway, I'm gonna attempt to eat all of this in 2 minutes or less. 2 minutes.
I'm just turning it down a little.
I have my stopwatch over here.
I'm like screaming in my own ear.
You can see it shining on my hand, so I'm not lying. Yeah. Go away notification. So, yeah, we're gonna put. Should I put the stopwatch on? No, I'm gonna put the timer on, and I'm gonna put it at. Wait, no, 0. At 2 minutes. Okay, so the timer's on, and here I'll show you guys. Timer on. So, I mean, it's not on, but it's set. You know what I mean? Whatever. Don't mind that. That's a mic stand. Anyway, yeah. Okay.
Hold on. Where is it? You see that?
Yeah.
I do that all the time. I don't know if you can see it. Hold on. Escape. That. What? I do it all the time, and my best friend likes to tell me that I'm gonna fly away one day. That's a lot of hand signals. I talk with my hands a lot, apparently. Okay. Anyways, let's continue.
Okay.
What am I looking at? Oh, starting it. This is a different place. As you can see, it looks much different. Well, I was in the bedroom here, but you don't know that.
Okay, we're starting. 3, 2, 1.
I started clock. I didn't time the clock very well on there. Oh god. Wow, the hiccups came so fast this time. What? The combination of the spiciness and me eating fast just is terrible. This is making me want to eat it. I don't want to kill myself.
Oh, sure. 1 minute.
Wow. I look like a pig. a piece of noodle on your lip,
I
girl.
tried.
It fell off too.
If my phone didn't turn off, didn't stop recording, I would have been done. So I will, holy shit. I will review it when I put the clips together from when I actually started. And I will see if it was actually 2 minutes or not.
I don't remember.
But yeah. Oh god.
Excuse me, sorry. I shouldn't do that out loud.
That was the video?
I don't know if you guys heard the burp.
My mouth is burning like hell.
I couldn't even think straight.
My lips are even more red now. Fuck. I'll be okay, guys. Fuck. My eyes are watering.
I don't know who told me to put on full makeup and do this. I don't know what possessed me, to be honest. It was terrible.
Why did I put on makeup to do this? Okay. Oh. Shit. Excuse my language. My makeup's gonna start running and shit.
Okay.
So yeah. You guys just... My eyes are burning.
I couldn't see at this point.
That's how I'm done.
I couldn't keep my eyes open.
Oh shit. It's so fast. Oh. I can't even open my eyes. At least the hiccups stopped, I think. Okay. I'll be right back.
Let's go back a second.
At least the hiccups stopped, I think.
And try again. Try again, nope.
Right back. So I'm back. I had to. You guys saw what? You all saw what just happened, right? That was crazy. Yeah, I don't think I'll be doing any speed challenges anymore. I need to pace myself with this. Like, my eyes started burning so bad that my eye makeup started running and burning my eyes more because it was getting in my eyes. So every time I opened my eyes, it would just burn, and they were bloodshot red. Like blood.
I should have taken a picture.
I don't know if you guys saw that. I have to review the. I'll look when when I edit the video.
You can kind of tell, but my eyes weren't open long enough.
Oh my god, I'm looking crazy. There's something wrong with me. There's something wrong. Anyway.
When I would tell my dad that I'm doing one of these videos, he would say I'm going to commit suicide because he hates any kind of spice whatsoever, except for wasabi. For some reason, he can eat wasabi like if it's candy.
I have cooled down. And no, I did not drink anything. Believe me, don't believe me, whatever. I didn't drink a damn thing. Yeah.
Yeah, people don't follow me. Don't do what I did. If you have to drink something, drink. Drink some milk, drink some water. Although water doesn't do that much. Yeah.
So, Thanks for watching the video.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna go edit it and see how crazy I look. Um,
Real crazy.
yeah. So I redid my makeup and stuff, but I just did it simply this time because I'm not about that life no more. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the hiccups and the craziness and my little mini breakdown when I couldn't open my eyes. You know, yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
Yes. Like, comment, subscribe.
Notification bell so that you know when I do these crazy videos or whatever. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye. I need to come up with a name for you guys. I think I'll call you guys my foodies because I like to eat. And if you have my Instagram, it's at Lulu Foodie.
That's not correct anymore. It is now I am Lulu Bella because I have music out and my music artist name is Lulu Bella. Therefore, I should reflect that name. Yes.
Lulu the Foodie.
So, don't follow Lulu the Foodie. It's at I am Lulu Bella.
Put it somewhere over here. Okay? Alright. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh yeah, I forgot something. I got the idea for this video from a vlog, YouTuber that I just discovered. Well, he found me, actually, on Instagram. And yeah, I went and watched his spicy noodle video, and he did it in 2 minutes and 4 seconds. So we'll see how long it took me to actually eat all of mine. Yeah. And I will put his.
I still don't know. I want to itch my head.
To mention him because I got the idea from him. So yeah. His J Slays. Yeah, I think that's it. I'll put a correction if it's not right. Okay. Anyway, see you later. Bye.
Bye. So yeah, pause, escape. So yeah, that was that video. Very entertaining, I think. Well, that's why it has, how many views does it have? It has 14,581. You guys can't see it because I'm walking away, but yeah. That's a lot of views for me anyways. And they were just organic. I didn't do any kind of advertising for this video. Your hiccups are adorable. People are like obsessed with my hiccups. You'd make a fun wife. Oh god, the things people say. Okay, anyways. That's not 32 comments, is it? Yeah, it is. Oh, somebody new watched it. Look at it. 1 week ago. I liked it, right? Yes, I did. Okay. Well, that's it for that. Are we gonna watch a new video? Well, I'm gonna watch a new video next. So, let's finish this one. Like I said in the video, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, and comment down below. Love you guys. Bye. I can't hurt pain. Peace. Peace. I'm such a nerd. Okay. Yeah.